Hey guys, I'm here with a video on how to find the square root of a 4-digit number. So let's get started. First, you're going to need to make a list of squares from 1 to 10, like I did right here. And then get a perfect square. So I have 2 perfect squares right here. And let's get started on how to do this. So first, break this into 2 parts. So it's these 2 and these 2. And since this part ends in 6, you will find what else ends in 6. And right here you can see that the square root of 4 ends in 6, and the square root of 6 ends in 6. So you'll just write those numbers like this: 4, 6. Okay, and then with this number 92, you're going to see what 2 square roots it's in the middle of. So it's 92, and it would be in the middle of the square root of 9 and the square root of 10. And whatever 2 numbers it's in the middle of, you will always choose the lowest. So in this case it will be 9 because that is the lowest. And you'll do 9 times the next number, 10. And that equals 90. So since this 90 right here is less than this 92 here, you're gonna choose the greater number. So this 6, you're gonna choose that 6 because this 92 that you broke down is greater, so you'll be choosing the greater. And the 6 will be the ones place, so you'll have 6 in the ones place, and the number that you multiplied will be the tens place. So this 9 right here will be the tens place. And I'm gonna get a calculator out so we can check if 96 is the square root of 9,216. So let's check that. 96 times 96 equals 9,216. So 96 is the square root of 9,216. Okay, let's get to the other example. So you'll break it into 2, just like we did there. 2 parts. And what ends in 1, you'll see that the square root of 9 ends in 1, and the square root of 1 ends in 1. So you'll write right there 1 and 9. And just a tip, to write the lower number first helps for me, and it might for you. So that's a tip you guys can use. And 34 is in the middle of what 2? The square root of 5 and the square root of 6. So since it's in the middle, you'll take the lower, which is 5, multiply the next number times 6, which equals 30. And again, this 34 that you broke down is greater than the 30, so you'll take 9. And then since you had the 5, that will be the tens place, just as we did. right here where the 9 will be the tens place. And since this was the ones place, I'll write that down first. And that's the tens place, 59. So let's get a calculator and check if we are right. 59 times 59 is equivalent to 3,481, and that's exactly what we got right here. So these two are both correct answers. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for future content. Bye.